Okay, so you can see I have the axle mocked up. It's inside the installed in the truck. I have not clocked the spring bracket yet, the spring perch, because I don't know what my pinion angle is going to be yet. So I kind of just have it sitting inside here so I can get it on wheels and look what it is. At some point I'm going to have to tip this pinion up or down, you know, the yoke, and get this angle right on this axle so that my drive shaft is at a good angle. So for now, this is good enough. It's going to get the job done. I don't think this is even the finished parts that I'm going to use. I'm going to get a different bracket, different bolt setup and everything like that. May have to put a block, a lift block between here, or get a spring that's arched differently depending on what my height needs are going to be. So that's how this looks here. So on the stock S10, the differential of the axle sits in between the spring in the frame. On this setup, I'm moving it to below the spring so that it lifts the back of the truck up. So you probably get, I would say, in the area of, yeah, I'm going to say that's probably 5 inches of lift just by moving the 4 or 5 inches just by moving the axle from one side of the spring to the other. So I don't know if that's going to be enough, but we're going to find out. I'm going to mount the wheels on it now, kind of see what it looks like, and go from there. Alright, there you have it. Axle's mocked up, bolted in, got the tires installed, wheels and tires. It's giving me a real good idea how tall the truck is going to be. I'm liking what I've seen so far. We'll have to compare it to the front end once I get it leveled out. But yeah, I'm going to put the bed on to make sure that the tire isn't going to interfere too much with the bed. I don't know if I have to do anything to the bed. I'm thinking I'm probably going to be alright, but I want to check it out anyway. I think it'll be fun to see. I haven't seen a bed on this truck in a long time, so it'll be fun to see what it looks like. So that's what I'm going to do right now.